There are dinosaur ones.
That's like these.
No.
So many people are anti-Valentine's Day, but we're gonna make it fun because we're gonna do Galentines. What's more fun than hanging with your friends and celebrating with lots of fun pink and red, right? We are going to one of my favorite places to find very affordable decor that is cute and fun. We're gonna make Galentine's Day affordable decorations. We're gonna make them high-end. They're gonna look so cute, and I think we can do some really creative things. Woo! Yeah! Is raise the roof still a thing? No. Woo! Come on. We're creating 10 stunning DIYs that look high-end but are super affordable. Let's go see what we can find. Woo! You're making me laugh. There's such cute stuff. Is that a Kate? Oh. Maybe it says kiss or something. No? I don't know. Sometimes Dollar Tree can be hit or miss. There's some really cute things, but I'm going to show you today what you can grab in order to make these really cute, affordable, high-end DIYs for Galentines. I was amazed that they had these candles for $1. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love the DIY we create with them. And although some of these things are seasonal, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to find them at your Dollar Tree, a lot of them are not. So I created a blend of both so that if you can't find it, you'll still be able to make all sorts of cool DIYs with your Galentine's party this year. My table feels a little boring. Let's fix it up. So let's jump into it head first. Number one is the love banner. I grabbed these cute but a little wonky heart decor items from the Dollar Tree, and I also grabbed a couple of spools of ribbon. These were each $1 as well, and I had to decide which one I wanted. I went with the love ribbon because it just seemed like it went better with the hearts. I undid the hearts and then started getting them organized. Now that the hearts were organized and separated, it was so easy just to take this ribbon. I cut a slight bit off at the end so it would be easy to slide through the holes, and made it pointed, and then really just strung them through. This is going to make the cutest heart banner. I started by stringing them individually and then figured it out quickly that it's easier just to string them all on the end and then separate them out. So that is a quick tip for you. How cute and simple is this heart banner? This banner will be perfect for decorating the mantle, the wall, or even just table decor. So cute! Up next is the Candy Heart Candle DIY. This is a fun, nostalgic touch with conversation hearts. So I grabbed 2 bags of the conversation hearts at the Dollar Tree, and look how cute this simple DIY is. So I'm gonna stick 2 DIYs in one. This one is just a fun way to highlight your candle and make it feel like Valentine's / Galentines, but also we are gonna take these conversation hearts and actually glue them onto our candle. So it is so simple. Just pick the colors that you want and try to vary the colors so that you don't get matching ones next to each other, and literally just glue it on. Look how cute that turned out. Number 3 is our heart tree centerpiece. I love this one. You get to go out, find whatever little tree branches you want. It is winter time, so there are a lot of little dead tree branches. So I just went in my backyard, found some that looked like they would fit perfectly in a vase, and brought them inside. I then grabbed some felt heart stickers that I had gotten at the dollar store and placed my branches in the vase. If you want, you can fill your vase with some lights or some Valentine filler. I had these foam flowers that are really cute. But you can fill it with whatever you want. I actually ended up not using this vase, and I'll show you in a minute what I decided on, but this is just a fun way, so if you're gonna have it dark inside, it would be really cute to have a lit up centerpiece. I then grabbed the felt stickers and found matching ones, and really it's so easy. You just undo the stickers, remove the backing, and stick them evenly one on top of the other. This saves you time where you don't have to cut out your own hearts, and look how cute that turned out. If you use a vase from your home and sticks from your home, really all you need for this is $1 at the dollar store, and how cute is that? For number 4, we are making a grapevine heart wreath. I already had this grapevine wreath that I had thrifted at the thrift store for $1.99. So I grabbed these heart picks at the Dollar Tree, and I got the red ones and the gold ones. And really all we're gonna do is vary how we place them in. Vary them in direction, vary them in color, go back and forth, and kind of just place them around your wreath. It is super high-end looking and so simple. We're then going to follow it and cut off all of the little sticks from the other side, and it turns out so cute. Number 5 is the Dramatic Heart Rose Centerpiece. I grabbed a foam heart at the dollar store and some foam flowers. Now, I'm going to warn you before we get started, I did not grab enough. So, go ahead and grab as many as you can whenever you're at the dollar store. I grabbed 3 bags, varying the colors, and it was not enough. Make sure you grab enough because I had to mix the pink, red, and white. Now, is it exactly how I wanted it to turn out? No, but we are just gonna glue them all over. If I would have grabbed all of one color, it would have worked perfectly. Or if I would have had enough, it would have worked even more perfectly. But you can see the look of what we're going for. And what's fun is you don't actually have to use the foam flowers. If you find some silk flowers, you can use those as well. But I love the look of these foam flowers. So I took the heart pick and stuck it in the bottom and stuck it on top of a vase. I put some foam in the bottom of the vase. Can you see where it missed the spot? Ugh. I'm so sad, and they were out. So there were no more at the dollar store, and I was so sad. But it's okay. We're gonna go with what we have, and sometimes you gotta keep it real around here. I filled the bottom with some moss and then placed it on top. We're gonna be able to maybe mask it a little bit or hide the side, but this is the look we're going for. Hopefully you can get enough. Up next is number 6, the ribbon decorated candles. I grabbed all of these candle holders at the thrift store. These were only $1.99. And then I grabbed some velvet ribbon. These were not from the Dollar Tree, but they were very, very discounted because they were after Christmas. So what you can do is really just tie bows around your gorgeous candle holders. And right now, ribbons are trending and they are just really cute. So if you want to just have a really cute decorated space that is simple, add those ribbons and it will bring it up and make it much more high-end. Up next is number 7, the Valentines bubbly. This is a super simple DIY if you can get the champagne open. Okay, I worked hard, finally got it open. And now we can get started. So it's so simple. Really just fill your cute champagne glasses, grab some pink cotton candy, they have it at the Dollar Tree, and then just place it on top of your champagne. Then decorate it with your conversation hearts. Whenever you are ready, you just drop that cotton candy in and it makes pink champagne. Number 7 are one of my favorites, wax painted candles. So we're going to take some of the candles that we did not use ribbons on and paint on them with wax. This is such a fun DIY. We're taking the pink colored candles that we got at the Dollar Tree and using our small artist brushes that we also got at the Dollar Tree to paint cute designs on these candles. It is really, really simple, and I'm so excited to be able to show my daughter how to do this because she has been talking about it. Apparently, it is a TikTok trend and it's something that she wanted to try. I did a design of hearts on this one on the white and then followed it with a design of polka dots on my other one. If you love high-end looks on a budget, make sure to subscribe. I would love to have you here, and be sure to check out my other videos for more fun luxe looks for less. Another fun way to decorate your candles is using a paint pen. This gold paint pen worked really well. It's from the Dollar General. I think I paid $1.99, and it goes on the candle so smoothly. I also have used a chalk pen, and this is just a Sharpie that is a white chalk marker, and it went on the candle beautifully as well. And look how cute those hearts are when they pop on that red candle. Like I told you, the wax candle is trending on TikTok and decorating it with the wax, so my daughter and her friends decided they wanted to try it too. They pulled out their white candles and got creative using the wax to make all sorts of fun heart designs and designs that were perfect just for Galentines. It kept them entertained, and look how pretty this looks in my 3-candle candle holder. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm impressed with them. This is perfect for a Galentine's or Valentine's Day party and a fun activity for everyone to share together. Up next is number 8, the Doily snack pack. This package came with the cutest little paper doilies. There are a lot of them, so you could easily use this to make for a class if you wanted to make a snack pack, or for a group of your Galentines who are coming over. I first took the doily, folded in the sides, and then folded up the bottom. I used my hand to open it up a little bit and then slid the snacks inside. I then was able to fold it over with the lacy top covering it and secured it with these cute sparkly Dollar Tree stickers. All of this was from the Dollar Tree, and I spent a little over $2 for creating those little snack bags. Now the snacks cost a little bit more, but how cute is this on your table? I think number 9 might be my favorite, the Window to the Soul heart plate. This was something I had never seen before, but had the idea and wanted to try it. I've seen other people come up with similar projects, but this one was going to be different. I first put one of the felt stickers on my glass plate that I got at the dollar store, and then used a paint pen to draw some heart designs with dots all around the sticker. I turned my plate over and added a sticker to cover the heart. Had to say hello to some of my favorite Galentines along the way, and then headed outside. I placed the plate upside down and used a glass mirror spray paint to spray the back side of the plate. I then removed the sticker carefully, and look how cute this is. This mirror plate is one of my favorite DIYs I've ever done. And last but not least, the simple table runner. I simply grabbed a floral wrapping paper at the dollar store and used it as a table runner for my Galentine's table. So simple, so affordable, a little over $1, and you have the cutest design on your table. All right, guys, it is time to put it all together. And just like that, we've created 10 stunning Valentine's DIYs that look high-end, but were made on a budget. I love how each piece turned out, from the elegant wax painted candles to the adorable heart wreath and the beautiful glass painted plate, which may be my favorite. These projects are proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to add a little love and luxury to your home or for gifts this holiday season. And the best part, they are easy, fun, and completely customizable. Now, I want to hear from you. Which DIY was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your feedback. And if you try any of these projects, be sure to comment and share. I would love to see your creations. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss more budget-friendly, high-end DIYs. Together, let's create something beautiful because this is your year to shine.